Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're ready to straighten out the door, the line A pillar. We're ready to replace the two doors. We're ready to replace the two doors. And today we are showing the car, the Rav4. Almost finished. See here, the A pillar where almost all the damage was. I already pulled, straighten up and paint, and put back the door inches. This is the front door, new door from the dealer. We paint it. Now we have to put the glass, the motor, the speakers, the door mirror, and the upholstery, and then screw it onto the car. The back door almost finished. This is the fender and back door paint. Put on the front skin on the door, back door. Now you have to put in the mirror, the glass, the door handle, and the upholstery. And here we have to change this mirror, this glass. We have already do the quarter panel. Got a dent, we fix it. Everything done, almost finished. After when we put that everything on the door, the upholstery, the mirror and the speakers and the electrical parts, we unscrew it onto the door. We unscrew it onto the car. Both doors. Hey, almost finished. I feel by this week almost finished. Just have to put back together the parts. Then after it's finished, then we will do a test drive. Well, the bill is coming. It's soon finished. No airbag below, that's a good thing. No airbag, no seat airbag, nothing bus, nothing blow, nothing. Interior very clean. They have to clean interior. After we do a shampoo, we clean it up. Do a vacuum it. We vacuum. So you see, no airbag blow. Not the roof, not the seat, the dashboard, the steering wheel airbag. Everything intact. Nothing blow. That's a save. You could save money. Yeah. Everything okay. We already changed the suspension. We already changed the complete suspension. It's everything straight. Everything was bent or broke. We changed it and put a new suspension from the junkyard. By the complete knee suspension for the car. This bumper, front bumper, got a lot of dent and scratches. We sand it down and prime it up, and we paint it in white again. And this headlight is good. Only need the piece here. We already put it together, and it's good. No need to buy no headlight. Headlight expensive, maybe like $400 or more than $400. So we need the piece here. We got it in the old fender. And we put it together, and that's it. Glue it back, some kind of special epoxy, and we put it together. This is the old skin from the back door. This is the old skin. We take it off and buy it and put the new skin from the dealer, and we paint it in white again. This is the old door we replaced. This is the old door, see the damage. And the new door from the dealer. We paint it and put it there. Now we have to take out the rubber, take out the speaker, the the motor, the window motor, and put it back together. Everything what inside here, we have to take it out and put it in this door. The speaker, the electrical, the motor fan, and the glass, and the door angle, and the rubber. The rubber had to go to this new door.